Hi everybody, our short form content mastery course is about done. We actually have the page up and it's quite exciting because it's all about short form now when you think about it. In digital marketing, when you think about digital media, it's all about short form content. It took me a while to just, I'm like, when you think of it, when it comes to social marketing, digital media, what is the hot stuff right now? What do I get the most questions on? TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. And I know why, because me personally, YouTube Shorts has been huge for our brand. YouTube Shorts really exploded the BizCrown Media brand digitally beyond what I was thinking or what I was planning for. And not in ways that I was expecting it to happen. So I think that is so cool. And again, the most questions I get are on short form. What do I need to do on TikTok? How can I make a banging reel? How can I upload Facebook Reels? How can I upload Instagram Reels? How can I do this on Instagram? And most importantly is about the marketing strategy. What is your marketing strategy then? Because when I get these questions, there's still some more lingering questions because short form itself it's a totally different art on its own. It's a totally different science on its own. And that's why I created this course, so that you can actually learn from my success in creating short form content. And all you got to do is really look at the numbers. I mean, you look at it. Video length. Videos under 90 seconds retain 50% of the viewers, and 60% of viewers will watch the entirety of a video if it's less than 60 seconds. I mean, so just by being a short, you get stuff. Let's talk about engagement. Short form videos receive 2.5 times more engagement than long form videos. 47% of marketers say short form videos are more likely to go viral. All right, that's not me, that's the data. That's the data. Now, most importantly, as a business, because I really focus on what short form will do for you as a business. That's what I would like to focus on. And that's what this course covers. How you can use it to grow your business on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, using Reels. But most importantly, it's the ROI. When you think about it, it is the return on investment. And what's the ROI here? Short form videos deliver the highest ROI compared to other marketing trends. I'm going to say that again. Do you hear me? Short form videos deliver the highest ROI compared to other marketing trends. That's the data again. That's not me. That's not me bringing this up. But again, I go back to how many questions I get as a digital marketer every day and every now and then. What's it about? How to do something on a short form content piece. So that makes sense. When you narrow it down, it's all about short form content right now to grow your brand, to grow your business. Think about it that way. Now, when it comes to the stats for social media, over 50% of social media marketers use short form videos in marketing. 81% of consumers want to see more short form videos from brands in 2024. So, your audience, what do they want? Short form videos. That's all it's saying. They want short form videos. So you got to give it to them. The audience wants short form videos. So if you're not converting digitally, one of the first things you have to do is, am I doing short form videos? And if I am, what's my strategy with short form videos? What is my strategy? Let me turn the air down a little bit. It might just be getting in. It's a little hot in Chicago today. Finally, it was still cold yesterday, but it's hot today. Now, here's some other stats that I think are really cool. 44% of the marketers are expected to use short form videos in 2024. You can't wait till you become the 80th percent to start using this stuff. It's helpful when you are just using it now, part of the 45, 46, 47. I mean, it's really what it's about right now. Your whole marketing strategy has to involve, some form of short form content. If you want to make the most out of your marketing right now, you see it. And you look at all these channels. For instance, TikTok right now is probably the most visited social media platform. You look on Facebook, the most watched stuff now on Facebook is probably Reels, if you look at the data. I mean, it's all about the views and it's all about the short form content. So if you know that it's all about the short form content, then it's essential that it's added into your strategy. It's very important. Now, here's another stat that I think is cool. Nearly a third, 30% of all short form videos are watched 81% of the way through. So if you're complaining like, I'm not getting views, I'm not getting watched, well, we could see that a first way to kind of handle that is actually just to start doing short form content to be able to get out of that. And this course that I created, if you want to have the mastery of it, it's highly important that you get something like that. I had to learn a lot of this through trial and error. I was actually watching one of my shorts this morning, and I was like berating myself, like, oh, come on, Mayo, I can't believe you shot this. Why did you do this? Really? Were you saying all this? Like, who's gonna listen to this? And that's just because I didn't know all the stuff that I've learned now and seen results with. And, you know, it happens to all of us. And with this kind of course, you beat all that. But most importantly, this course is for your brand, it's for your business. How you can leverage short form content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, and as a bonus, Pinterest. This is huge. Short form content, it's all it's about right now. Again, you heard that data that it says, the data says it's all about short form. All the data that I've read to you, that I've just told you about right now, it's all about short form content, which just means if you're not doing it, you're missing out. You are missing out. So I think it's exciting times because we have all these tools, and you have all these tools that you can use on your phone. You have all these tools available that you can use right at your disposal to create banging short form content, whether you want to be in it, whether you don't want to be in it. Many ways to highlight your business, many ways to highlight your brand in short form content. But knowing the mastery of it is very, very important, or you're going to just be creating a whole bunch of content that's not going to give you the results that you want. You're going to be like, well, they gave us all this data, but it's not reflecting on my end because you're still not doing it right. And I was there. I've been there. I'm a marketer. I get to see this all the time, and I still fall in that trap all the time myself. But you don't have to with this course, and you don't have to with knowing the essentials of short form content. So I highly encourage you to check out the course or check out all the other videos we have on like YouTube that cover short form content to enhance your short form skills. It's something you got to do, especially if you are a marketer in this day and age. Like, you really have to consider it. So check it out. We're working on it, still finalizing the course. It's going to be available. It's really, really good. I actually watched it all over again, and I was like, wow, I'm learning from this myself all over again. So I think it's really cool. I'm excited at what it's going to do, how many businesses, how many brands, how many people are going to gain from this is really what thrills me, is how many people are going to use this course to blow up their social media channels like I did, blow up their short strategy, or use their shorts to blow up their brand like I did. Because you know what? In all honesty, the most views that we get are on shorts. The most exposure that I get are on shorts. The most thank yous. Hey, thank you so much for helping me. Thank you. Thank you. Shorts. The most requests. Hey, okay, I see you did this, but how can I do this? Shorts. So this is what led me to create it. I strategized. I go, what exactly do people want? What do I get the most questions on? So I created a course for it. So I hope the data is helpful for you to know exactly how important this is, even if you're not going to do the course. At least keep in mind that it's all about short form content right now. That's really where it's at. And I'll be sharing a whole lot more about it, because when you talk about social media marketing, digital marketing again, what's the basic thing right now? Short form content. So, and look out, stay tuned for this course. Next few days, it's going to be out, finalizing it. I'm excited. I'm losing my voice because I've been working hard on it. So till next time though, take care, and thanks for rocking with me. Thanks for being with our BizCrown Media community. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the responses. And I'm very grateful. All right. Take care.